Welcome to my little channel. I'm gonna build things, or we're JAAKBUILDS, I guess. That sounds so creepy when I say it in third person. Let's go quick. Let's add a laugh track here. Nah, that didn't help, did it? Anyways, I'm gonna hopefully build things, do little project things. Please bear in mind I am in no way qualified to build anything. I am in no way an engineer. I think it's gonna be funny, so let's start with a funny clip. Roll clip. All right, so this is my 2004 Renault Scenic 2. Now, I traded it previously for a project card of mine and a slap in the face. I mean, 400 euros. No, not that clip. The funny clip of that one. So yeah, this Renault is a 5-seater variant, but it's still got a ton of space. You can take out all of the rear seats. You can put down the front passenger seat as well. Like, you can have tons of space in there, like for at least like 8 corpses. Hello? Eh? Funny? A little bit? No? Fine. Let's talk about the next project car that I fixed an absolute boatload of things on. You'll like that one. I should put photos of that one as well. That'll be a good one. I replaced the front fender, the front hood, the front bumper, the crash bar, the AC radiator, the regular radiator, the right swing arm, the power steering pump. Basically, as far as I'm concerned, this car right now is basically just perfect-ish. Perfect-ish? Yeah, that's a word. We'll go with that one. Perfect-ish. Do you want to be on camera too? The car projects are gonna be weirder than most, but I'll promise you this: I won't really keep to a schedule because that's gonna be nearly impossible for me to do. I promise you, I'm gonna build whichever. There's gonna be a few car projects for sure. I don't know. There might be a house project. There might be a custom fleshlight that I want to build, or a model airplane. I'll promise you, I won't sell it to CBS after 8 episodes, like some good news. So yeah, I invite you on this journey with me, both of you. Even you, Cecilia, you car murderer. That Corolla did not burn down by itself. Yeah, it'll be fun. Also, roll outro. Oh shit, we don't have an outro, do we? Fuck. Okay. Second part now.
Oh, I think that you should stick to your script, bish.
Yeah, easy to say, difficult to do.
Because you're funnier on paper.